If you invest time learning AI skills, you get that time back over and over again. So let's do this. My name is Greg Martin. I'm a medical doctor. I live in Ireland and I love teaching people AI skills. So AI is much, much more than just a chatbot that you can ask questions. There's all sorts of very interesting applications of AI, and we're going to start off with the most simple and basics of them and then build up to some of the more complex. In the next 6 videos, I'm going to walk you through what AI can and can't do, how to get your AI set up properly so you get the most out of it, using AI as your writing partner, using AI as your private tutor to learn anything, using AI to read and summarize large documents so it's working as your research assistant, and the closing video is about how to use AI safely. Now, of course, AI can do all sorts of other sophisticated things that are not going to be covered in the next few videos. It can write code for you, create apps for you. You can have agents that actually do work for you, so you could send it off to actually book a flight for you or plan a holiday trip. We're not going to get into all of that detail right now. The starting point has to be, let's learn how to set things up correctly. Let's understand the platform. Let's understand what AI can and can't do. Let's make sure that we work in a way that is safe and secure. After that, we can bounce into anything you want. Okay, thanks for watching. See you on the other side.